Well, there are 10 key trends for what I call the extreme future, subject of my upcoming next book. And some of them we're not going to talk about today, but we'll certainly talk about the information and innovation economy. We'll talk certainly what's next about globalization. We'll absolutely talk about security as a key uptrend in terms of what people are going to be looking for. Certainly what's next for weird science and entertainment. And a lot of these technology trends that I might point to, they may seem like quantum or nanobio, or they may seem like neuro, that they're out a lot further, but they're not. Because increasingly, the next 5 years is going to seem like the past 1,000 years because of the kind of key innovations companies like Intel are speeding up and bringing to market. And we'll talk about that. One of my ways of starting out with you is to ask you this kind of strategic question, what futurists ask. Where is your business in 2010? What does it look like? What does the map of your company look like? Does it look like, what are the key, if you will, markets, key customers, key products and services? Do you have a plan that goes out through 2010 that gives you a sense of where the new growth is, how to capture that growth? That's what I'm interested in. What are the new opportunities? Well, welcome to the extreme future. The next 5 to 10 years is going to be extreme. What do I mean by that? It's a collision. It's a highly multidimensional world of complicated dynamic events and trends. Not working for 2 years on a particular idea or waiting for a competitor who may or may not show up in the game, or all of a sudden now the next billion people that are going to come on the net are not going to take, for instance, a decade. They're going to take maybe a year to 2 years. Maybe we're talking about by 2010 maybe as many as 3 billion people, of which 90% of them will be wireless. So the extreme future that you're heading into is also a world of high threats, new non-traditional competitors. All of a sudden disruptive technologies because of this exponential doubling of our friend Moore and Moore's world. So are you ready for this dynamic world? Because it will be extreme. There'll be more risks but more opportunities.